situation in Afghanistan, although it's same, but it's worse than Iran. I'm not saying that they haven't been struggling or fighting for a long time, but the situation in Iran is different from Afghanistan because they have organized, in Kurdistan basically, they are organized women that they are having a party, and the continuation of their fight is being more than 50 years. From the previous regime, monarchies, to existing regime, Islamic Republic, they've been fighting. So the difference in women in Afghanistan, unfortunately, is really harsh. We have same cause. We fight together, but my heart goes more for Afghanistan sometimes more than from my own hometown.
Your remarks and then close us out. That would be wonderful. Thank you.
I just want to say that I want to thank you for acknowledging my mention of Scotland. But I just want to say that in my visit there, what came home to me loud and clear was how Scotland too was colonized. And so it's a process that we need to understand, to acknowledge, so that we don't continue it. Because, you know, when people are colonized, if they don't become conscious of it, they continue the process. They learn the lesson very well, and they continue the process. And so, and it goes on, and so we need to turn around and look at it. We need to go up like what they had us do earlier today, to go up and look down and to be able to see it and to know that we need to change it. And that's why we also need to hear the stories of strength, the stories of resilience, the stories of paying attention to the needs of all people, to care and to love. And so I want to thank you for inviting me to be part of this panel. I want to thank you for us hearing the stories from your place, from your lands, and it's important for us to hear all these stories on this day, and to learn from them, to face them, and to be resilient.
So Gino, sorry,
We're at time.
yeah, just a second. So Gino saying that women's revolution in Iran is going to be, and we are hoping, will be first in the world that lead the women revolution, because it started with women, and this is all over the world. And we are not really isolated. In Canada, in all over the world, women are the one that's leading everything. And saying that in Kurdistan, it's in Iran was not colonized, but we are indirectly colonized. And what we are asking right now, that women and men will take down this barbaric regime of Islamic of Iran. We don't call it republic, there is no republic. We don't call it democracy, there is no republic. It's just a Islamic regime, we call it regime. And promise that women in Iran will bring it down, but we don't need the help from the outside. We are able to do it ourselves. We just need the support of loving people like you. We need your support. not any government invasion, what they did in different parts of the world. No invasion, no from top down. We are doing it ourselves. Thank you.